Hey there! Are you tired of staring at those blank walls? Do you feel like your space needs a little pizzazz? Well, I've got just the thing for you. Welcome to the ultimate guide on saving big with AllPosters promo codes. But before we dive in, make sure to click on the link in the description below to snag your special discount. Alright, let's talk posters. Whether you're a student decking out your dorm room, a pop culture enthusiast, or just someone who loves art, AllPosters has got you covered. Imagine transforming your boring walls into a gallery of awesomeness without breaking the bank. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to make that dream come true. First up, we have the Transform Your Space category. Picture this, a plain, dull room. Now add a stunning landscape print from AllPosters and bam! Instant upgrade. It's like magic, but without the wand. And with our promo codes, you can save big while turning your space into a masterpiece. Next, let's dive into the world of fandoms. Are you a die-hard movie buff or a music lover? AllPosters has a massive selection of movie, TV show, and music posters that'll make your heart sing. From classic hits to the latest blockbusters, there's something for everyone. And guess what? Using our promo codes means you can grab more of your favorites for less. Now here's the best part. Art for everyone. AllPosters isn't just about pop culture. They have fine art prints, photography, quirky illustrations, you name it. Whether you're into classic art or something more contemporary, you'll find it here. And thanks to their affordable prices and our exclusive promo codes, you don't have to choose. You can have it all. But wait, there's more. AllPosters also offers various sizes and framing options to match your decor style perfectly. Want a giant poster to be the centerpiece of your room? Or maybe a smaller print for a cozy corner? They've got you covered. So how do you get these awesome deals? It's super easy. Just click the link in the description below, browse their amazing selection, and use the promo codes to enjoy incredible discounts. Simple, right? Alright, art lovers, it's time to turn those blank walls into something spectacular. Don't miss out on these amazing deals. Click the link below and start shopping with AllPosters today. Remember, your walls deserve the best, and your wallet deserves a break. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your fellow art enthusiasts. See you next time!